I'm Hüseyin Uygur. I am the export director of the company. We are located in Turkey. Our export sales is in Istanbul, and we have two main factories, production places. One of them is located in Kırşehir, and one of them is located in Konya, in the central part of Turkey. What we do, we produce production lines, wafer production line, chocolate bar production lines, cereal bar production lines. We also apply different applications like caramel, marshmallow, nougat, coconut in the layers of chocolate bars. In addition to this, we do packaging machines, wide variety of packaging machines. We have horizontal flow pack packaging machines, overwrapping packaging machines, X-Fold, the other name. We have vertical packaging machines, and we have also thermoforming packaging machines. Most of our production, 90% of our production goes to export markets. We are exporting to 50 countries all around the world, more than 50 countries all around the world. But today, we are taking participation organized in Istanbul. The name of the exhibition is FOTEG. This is the first day of the exhibition. It will continue for 3 days, and we are waiting for our potential customers or interested customers to our booth. We are in the third hall, hall 3, and our booth number is 16. We will be glad with your visit. Our company history is more than 20 years, approximately 22 years, and the main factors lying in the success of our companies, the quality of our machines, the capability of our technical staff and managerial staff, and the service after sale, and always support on spare parts after the sales. We establish long-term relationships with our customers, and we are always trying to support them in all matters. Welcome to our exhibition. We are waiting for your visits. Thank you very much in advance.